So that's the first step here before trading stocks with Robinhood is you have to actually open up an account with them, and that's going to involve you supplying them with some information like your social security number, where you work, and things like that, because you're opening up a investment account which is going to have to be reported to the IRS. So number one, they do have to verify your identity and make sure you are who you say you are. And then number two, they're also going to have to report any trading activities to the IRS, because you are going to owe some taxes on dividends and capital gains and different things like that. So right off the bat, a lot of people are often cautious when an app is asking them for their social security number or things like that. But this is going to be a full-blown financial account here, so you are going to have to supply that information, but Robinhood collects this in a secure manner and doesn't store this information about you. So that's the first step, is opening up that account and grabbing that free stock.